How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Sit down because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's uncertainty of confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is the website. Here we have home, discover, library, sign in, sign up. All you have to do is continue with Google if you want, Apple also, or Samo SSO. You can also click over here and write your email and get your a message and you confirm it, then you sign up. Here we have Chat Pro, learn more, download, you can ask here anything and you get answers. So let's give an example here. For example, who is the best player in the world? Let's give an example and show why. Here we have sources, as you can see. We have here three sources, view two more. So we have two more here. Answer, current candidates, historical context. We have also images, search videos, also generate images. Then we have here Pro also. So here we have the free one. Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro sources, upgrade EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. We have here standard and professional. Standard starts for free, no credit card needed. We have here unlimited quick sources, 5 pro sources per day. Standard Perplexity's AI model optimized for speed and quality. Create a profile to personalize your answers. Professional, as you can see, you pay $20 for each month. And here we have. Then we have enterprise, as you can see. Help your team get further faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AI research assistant. Then we have background, so you can just ask anything, or you can ask a little help also, and you get shot or conversation with Perplexity Labs and get your answer. Then we have block. Processors upgraded for more advanced problem solving, research shaped our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. So here we have Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro, bringing Perplexity to education and not for profits. As you can see, introducing Perplexity Page, Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro, Perplexity Pro is coming, and a very thing, as you can see, you can just scroll down and click over the way you want. About FIC, we have frequently asked questions. Here we have what is Perplexity, how does Perplexity work, what is Perplexity Pro. You can just click over here and get your answer to more understand. Here we have Perplexity is a free all-source engine designed to revolutionize the way you discover information. And you can just read the answer. Then we have encyclopedia. As you can see, welcome to Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collection and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. Here we have a lot of niches like captions, ideogram, .ea, Inferior, Aging, Clink EA, Faced, Added, Korean, as you can see, and a lot of things. Just scroll down and choose the one you want. Then we have colors, as you can see. Current we have here our mission, our values. You can read it to know other information. Correct openness, and you click over the one you want and the one you need. Then we have English here. You can choose the one you want. Have your Spanish, Korean, as you can see. So here we have some methods to earn money on Perplexity. First, we have freelance services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. First, identify your niche. Are you good at mention specific task? Perplexity helps with E.J, data analysis, content writings, and etc. Focus on what you do best. Then we have create a profile, set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then we have showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some sample projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second method we have creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here is how. First, you have developed your product, use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Then, set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products, use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. The third one we have the method number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program first. Sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create valuable content, write blog posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then drive traffic. Use SEO, social media, marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. The fourth one, we have online courses and consulting. Create an online courses. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses on using Perplexity effectively. Then we have offer consulting services. Provide one-on-one coaching or consulting to individual or businesses looking to get the most out of Perplexity. And there you have it, 4 powerful ways to make money with Perplexity, whether you choose freelance, services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses. There's plenty of opportunities out there. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.